Samsung phone vibration not working problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Samsung phone vibration not working problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and find general management option. Now go to general management option. Scroll down, click on reset. Now click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings again. Now enter your phone password and reset your phone settings. Now go to your home screen and reset your phone. After following all steps, hopefully your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.